Sunday morning, the perfect day to rise and shine, or at least try to shine. Next up, making my bed. I like to think of it as dressing my room for success and peace. A tidy bed makes me feel put together, even if it's all just a cover up.
To draw wisdom from many different places. If we take it from only one place, it becomes rigid and stale. Understanding others, the other elements, and the other nations will help you become whole.
The older I get, the more I appreciate stretching. It feels amazing. It's like hitting the reset button for your body, especially when you've been sitting at a desk all week. It's all about releasing the tension and not holding on to it. This part is always a load of fun. I throw clothes in and hope for the best. Will that one red sock turn everything pink? It's always a wash and learn situation. I also like to edit on Sundays. Editing for me is very therapeutic. So even though it's work, it doesn't feel like work because I love editing. Now, replaying my voice for the 100th time is a cringe-worthy experience. How many times can one person say, in a 10-minute video? Spoiler, a lot, but don't worry. I've got the delete key on speed dial. Just lots of deep breaths. Remember, editing is like sculpting. You have to chip away at the nonsense until you are left with a masterpiece, or at least something that won't make people click away. And editing is such a long process. I pretty much spent my whole afternoon editing this vlog. And before you know it, it's dinner time. Tonight, we are diving into some comfort food with a cozy classic, Zuppa Toscana. I will leave this recipe down below in the description box. This is my favorite soup ever of all time, and I'm so happy that it's now cool enough, pretty chilly out, and soup season is here. After dinner is when my Sunday evening routine starts. And I thought I would have that be a separate video. I don't know about you guys, but I love Sundays. I used to not like them because Monday's the next day. But I think looking at it, like starting a new week, looking at it from a new perspective has been so important for me, because it's an opportunity to prepare for my week. I believe in self-care every day, but Sunday's a different kind of self-care. And I've talked about this before, the importance of having strong routines to inspire success in your life. And creating and building those routines have definitely helped contribute to my success. And I have found that slowing down on Sunday is so important, because if I am burning myself out on Sunday, it really does affect how my week starts. It affects my Monday. My Sunday night, that's when I like to prepare for the week. I'll do some preparation and some self-care and just get into that mindset to have a productive week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It shows me that you care. If you are not yet subscribed, subscribe, it's free. And I will see you guys in the next video. My cat's going crazy. Okay, bye, peace.
It feels kind of funny. Don't want this to go away.